See my days are cold without you. See my days are cold without you.
What up, party people? So here's the thing. I was not planning to tape today, but I've just been on this hype lately and I kind of just want to run with it. So I need to do my makeup because we're about to go out to dinner soon. I want to do a 5-minute face because it's what I would do with or without the camera, so I figured I'd do it right here. It's super basic. It's kind of like my everyday, so that's what I'm gonna do. If you like this video, make sure to like it below, comment below if you used any of these products or if you have any replacements. A lot of these items I've used for a really long time, so if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. And what else? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna get started. I just bought this and I really like it. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation Stick. I bought it kind of as a concealer, so I'm just gonna put this on like this. And this is basically, lately I haven't been into wearing like real foundation. I used to use...
I use it a lot. I used to use the CC cream, and I wouldn't say I used to, I still use it sometimes, but I've just been really into this lately, so this is what I'm doing.
Next up, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer, just to get any spots that, like I wasn't able to cover up.
I'm really rough with my face, and I know it's bad, but I don't know, sorry. Sorry, face.
I know my sisters would be so disappointed in me watching this, thinking like, why is she going so fast? Like, have some respect with her with the makeup. I love you, Kayla and Natalia. So I use the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, and I've been using it in ash brown.
You know, one thing my sister Natalia always told me, she's been a makeup artist for 10 plus years. She always says that eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, so they're just not going to be perfect. And same with winged eyeliner. So, you know, anytime I get a tip like that that makes my life easy, I run with it. So if I have 2 different looking eyebrows and you see me, I don't really care that much. No, actually, you should tell me. But, you know what I mean.
Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever palette. So you can customize these palettes. You can get them in like 1 or 2 different colors or 3. I freaking love this. This is so good. The product is just such good quality. I mean, it's Makeup Forever, so like it should be good quality because it's expensive, but it's really good. I pound this on, so no judgment, okay?
Like, very rarely do I put my makeup on at home, which is I should do it at home, but I don't a lot. When I do it at home, I'm usually doing like a video, or I'm doing it on Instagram story. Shameless plug, Cat and Blast on Instagram. Hi. That's
okay, so as you can see, I'm kind of just doing a little light contour. Some would call it light, some wouldn't. And then I'm gonna do, you know, right here. Oh, these earrings are, I'm gonna put it on my chin because I want to get rid of that double chin. And then always make sure to go down a little so you don't look like you have a crazy face. No, that's weird. But you do want to make sure you are giving yourself a nice little jawline, and then you're also going down. How we doing? Okay, so now I'm gonna put some on my nose. I always do a little too much here. So that's one side. You can tell it just like narrows the nose a little bit. I feel like Chung Lee, like Nicki Minaj's video. Okay, because the buttons, you know. Anyways. All right, so I think I'm looking good. I'm probably doing a little too much, but you know what? I'm on camera. What are you gonna do? Laura Mercier's Caviar Stick. I've been using these for like literally like maybe 5 years. I just rebuy them, I replenish them, and they just do me so well because they're so easy and the quality of the product is so good. So I'm just gonna rub this all over my eyelids. One thing I forgot to do that I like to do before I do this is put some highlight right under my eyebrow. That just helps it make it like look a little cleaner. I am in need. I usually use Kat Von D's tattoo liner, but I got this on Ipsy and I haven't used it and I'm out of my Kat Von D, so I'm just gonna use this.
I'm gonna put a really light eyeliner. I will say I'm pretty good at liquid eyeliner. One time I did it in a car also recording on Insta.
Okay, lately the girl at Target recommended that I get this Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Curb Alert Mascara. Anyways, it's actually not bad.
And it really does the trick if you want like longer lashes and thicker, but it does make them more long than thick.
Forgot to put some under here. I like to do my bottom, but that's like a personal choice. I kind of go in phases about it, to be honest. Sometimes I like it. And
I don't have enough hair in here. I'm just gonna have to keep it on because I'm in a rush.
I still have the black hair, but I can't stop. I gotta keep going. I'm gonna put, this is Glossier Cloud Paint. I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. I went years without putting like any blush on my cheeks, and I just started with my cloud paint, and I like it.
Like, it just gives a little cuteness. Gives a little cuteness, and I don't know, it actually makes, for me, it makes it look more natural because everyone's kind of, not everyone, but I'm naturally red. So when I put the little pink, it's like, oh, natural looking.
I'm gonna put this Makeup Forever lip liner. You know, I've been into the brown lip liners, trying to like get into my heritage, you know, like a chola. I mean, that's not my heritage. I'm Guatemalan.
But I did grow up in San Francisco when I was a kid in the 90s when everyone and their mama was wearing super brown lipstick, including my sister, and everyone was like choled out and cholo. Like, it was just like, Mission was not the Mission it is today, okay? It was hood as fuck. Oh, I should not cuss. It was super hood. It was like super hood. But it was cool. It was a lot of culture.
Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna put this liner on, and then I'm gonna put some lip gloss, like a real cholita. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe below. Like this video if you liked it.
And I think that's it.
I still have this here. All right, I'm out of here. Mwah. Bye.